here we are at the Lehigh Demonstration Center, where we have a planting of a number of different vegetables. And one of the vegetables we included in this planting, and we have a pretty sizable area of it, is something called, referred to as a Choctaw Squash, or also they refer to it as a sweet potato squash. This is an heirloom squash that has been kept by Choctaw Native and probably other Native American farmers. And it's really an interesting crop. As you can see, the vines are extremely vigorous. The reason we made this planting, such a large planting, and you see we have some covers over part of it back here, it was part of a study where we're looking at the use of row covers as a way to exclude insect pests, namely the squash bug, which just wreaks havoc on squash plantings down in this part of the country. Here on the same location we have some summer yellow standard straight neck yellow squash, and the squash bugs they're merciless with it. The plants get up to where they're starting to produce, and then the squash bug attack. This squash doesn't seem to attract the squash bug as much for some reason. As I've kind of monitored them and all that, I just haven't found that many squash bugs on them. So, and like I said, very vigorous. I haven't tasted it myself yet, but some people tell me that the squash fruit are delicious. And we have some fruit coming on over here. We can point them out to you. I'm sure it's going to get a little larger than that. I'm not 100% sure exactly how large they get, but they tell me it's a delicious fruit with a little bit of flavor of sweet potato. So hopefully we'll be able to tell you some more about it in the future once they're ripe and once we harvest some. So.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.